Welcome guys, welcome back once again. This is first time I am doing such a video. I have never done before this top 5 or top 10 kind of videos. I have missed my chance already in the summers, and still I think I am late to the party because I have seen a lot of fellow YouTubers, reviewers. They have already made their videos about top 5, top 10 winter perfumes, winter fragrances. Anyways, better late than never, so let's start the video. So in this video I'm going to show you top 5 perfumes for winters from the house of Rasasi from my collection. And these are the perfumes I have picked randomly. There is no certain order like this is the number 5 or this is the number 1. They are all equally good. I like them all. There is no such thing like one is better than other. So let's start, and on number 5 I have Daresh. If you talk about Daresh, you will get vanilla, tonka, cumin, cardamom, amber, rose, iris, sandalwood. These are some which I can pick instantly. Anyways, I have made a detailed review about this fragrance and I will put a link here on the top. You can go and check that video if you are interested in this fragrance. So on number 5 we have Daresh, such a beautiful and nice perfume from the house of Rasasi. So Daresh on number 5. So at number 4 I have a perfume from their Junoon line, and this is Junoon Velvet, and such a beautiful scent. This perfume is very similar, very similar to Mimo Irish leather. If you guys like leather fragrances, if you like Mimo Irish leather, you must give this perfume a try. Very beautiful juniper berries, made tonka, amber, leather. So at number 4 we have Velvet from the Junoon series. And now number 3. At number 3 I have Rumz Al Rasasi 9453, or in short you can call this perfume Rasasi Leopard. This is a very famous one. I'm sure you guys have already seen it before. And here, this is such a nice composition. This perfume is going to remind you a very famous perfume from the house of Amouage, which is Jubilation 25 for men. I'm not saying this is a cologne or it's like 80%, 90% similar. No, this is a totally different thing. But this falls in the same category, in the same family. So if you like Jubilation 25, you are going to like this. And if you are planning to buy Jubilation 25 and you don't know how it smells and you want to be sure if you're going to like it or not, and if you are not sure to spend that much money for Amouage, you can go with this, try this. If you start liking this perfume, definitely you are going to like Jubilation 25. Here in this perfume, you will get cloves, violets, amber, sandalwood and vanilla. I have planned to make a full detailed review on this perfume. Do let me know in the comments if you want me to do a full detailed review of this fragrance. So on number 3 we have Rasasi Leopard. And now let's talk about number 2. And at number 2 I have another very famous perfume from the house of Rasasi. Most of their fragrances are famous. You know guys, Rasasi is a very good house. They create a very nice, beautiful, decent and good products. So here at number 2 I have none other than Faqat Lil Rijal. Such an amazing perfume. I think what a beautiful oud. Such a beautiful scent. I think one of the best from the house of Rasasi. So if we talk about the smell, amazing oud, leather, saffron, patchouli and cardamom. Wow, such a beautiful composition. So at number 2 we have Faqat Lil Rijal. I have also planned to do a detailed review on this one also. So do let me know in the comments if you would like to see me reviewing this product. And now let's come to our number 1. And at number 1 I have Shura. And this beast needs no introduction. It's already hyped up, very famous. I think all of you guys have already heard about it. You guys have already know about this perfume. I have also done a detailed review about this fragrance. I will put a link here. You can go and check. And such a beautiful scent. Tomato leaves, tobacco, leather, some green notes, some sweet oud moss. Such a beautiful blend. So at number 1 was Shura. So this was my top 5 list, or I can say a winter kit from the house of Rasasi. Hope you like it, and until the next video, take care and bye.